Hi guys, it's me. We are having a battle and I lost.
Hi guys, I'm Jan. This is the brother of John again.
Remember? And this is my
Today he
video. Yeah, we're playing cats today. Yeah.
Superstar.
Well, he's called Turbo Stars. So today, guess what I'm doing?
You can win me.
I'm not doing what my brother's saying.
Can you?
I'm going to show my undies.
Can you speak Italian? Can you speak Italian?
No, I can't speak Italian. I can only say three words. I can only say Russia, ciao e no. Я только могу сказать тоже унитаз. Унитаз is the toilet.
It's in Russian.
No, it's Italy.
No, it's
Unitaz.
Russian. It's
Unitaz
Russian.
is a toilet.
Zara, it's Russian.
No, but it's not Russian.
Yes.
I saw the world champions. They were in a book. They were in the book and it said how to spell that. And that's a word.
It's binary.
No. Ya Kitai. You see, I'm a Chinese guy. Ugh.
He lives in China.
No, I don't. I born in Italy and I have blue eyes. Is that rare? Look, I really do have blue eyes.
I live.
You see that? I'm really rare. Because brown is really original. It's really boring. Brown is just for noobs. Something like brown. My cousin has brown. Jan has brown. They're too original. They're too famous. They're too everything. Do you understand what I'm saying? Because today I'm playing in championships. I'm eating some chips. Yum. How's that yummy actually? What should I do? I'm gonna verse Lulu, but that's not how you call it. Oops. I lost, I think. I think I lost. Should I play quick fights? Because I don't want to lose that freak in arena. Oops. Upgrade your machine and try again. I don't want to upgrade. I don't want to win this now. I need to win that arena. Just get there. Just a little bit left. Just a little bit. Oh, it's so annoying. Let's just relax. Just stay here. Let's just stay here. It's my 8th channel. Still on here. Still, I can't win the pyramid. Sorry, guys. I'm going to do a quick bite. I'm going to lose. I bet. Yep, I was correct. I will lose. What did I do? Well, now I lost. Okay, gone down. Gone down, I think. Hi. You. How much left? Comes left. Just a little bit. Only 20 and 1. If he plays a little bit more, he would have beat me. Let's see how powerful is the Trinity or Grandmaster. Did I press Grandmaster? I have no idea. 2, 3, 4. Let's see how powerful he is. Pretty powerful, but I can beat him. You'll never beat me. Well, I know somebody that can beat me. Master Obi and the best guy in the world called, let me see how is he called. The best guy in the world called, I have no idea what to say. It's 1 Z line B line underneath sideways and then like a messy box. Then a giraffe that has a square body and 2 little legs. And then a and then a kind of 7 on top of a tree, and then a flag that has a big square and 4 quarters. And 2 lines and 1 big line. Wow, how confusing is that? I don't understand. This is how powerful this guy is. Look how powerful he is. He is about no idea. Look, I can't even beat him. Look at him, he just wrecking me. Ow. Nope. You lost, of course. Of course. I keep on losing. I don't know why.